How to fix screen mirroring not working on Android. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's jump right into this video. It is a quick and easy process. So starting off, you need to tap open your phone setting. So go ahead and tap open it. Now from all of this list, you can navigate where it says screen mirroring, or just tap on the search icon at the top. Now in here, search for screen mirroring. Mind it, the keyword will be different according to the model of your Android. Select where it says off screen mirroring. Now first and foremost, tap where it says connect to a mirroring device and check for your device that you want to connect. Also ensure the device actually offers screen mirroring with your mobile. Now once you have done that, at the bottom you will see screencast options. There, off screen mirroring when your mobile is off, make sure that it is toggled on, or you can toggle it off according to your preference. Now select the local file mirroring. The default is video, image and music. Make sure that it is supported by both of the devices. You can also check out any update available for your mobile device and as well as the device that you want to screencast on. If there is any, make sure to update your devices. Next is to press and hold on to your power button. From here, we need to restart our device to fix any of the glitch or a bug issue. By following this step, you'll be able to fix the screen mirroring not working on your Android. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.